Hey, today we're going to fold and fly a long-distance flying paper airplane. It's a pretty good little plane. It's rather easy to fold, so we'll show you how to do it. Just a piece of regular printer paper is what we're using here. Fold it across the center like this. Get you a center line. Fold this one in. Right, almost to the center there. Same way on the other side. Give me a little problem here, but we'll get it. There we go. Now let's fold it in again to about the center of it. This side too. Now we're going to take the nose piece, fold it back about an inch, give or take a little, right about there, right across the center. Crease it. Let's fold it in the center, get us a good center again. Fold your wings down where there's about a ½ inch left. This side's just like it. Okay, there's your plane. Now we're going to make some ailerons in the back, because if it takes off and climbs real quick, you fold them down. If it dives fast, fold them up. You can also adjust left and right the same way. Right there, and you can fold these up or down, whatever you need. Alright, we're going to fly it here in the house first, so let's give it a shot. Pretty good little flight. There's another one that kind of took to the left, didn't it? Took to the left. We need to raise that left one. Now we're outside. Let's see how it does out here. Pretty good little flight. Kind of windy, so you got to be kind of careful. There it goes. One more time. Alright, we got a lot more of these videos coming. Like and subscribe and stay with us.